Are you looking for affordable jewelry pero may laban? Hi, I'm Rina. I'm the creator of Wealth by Rina Wellness Jewelry, the Philippines' first energy-infused demi-fine wellness jewelry. And today, I am letting you in on our bracelets. So, our bracelets, for one, is it has a wire inside. Most of the bracelets that you have that are made of natural gemstones are string, right? And honestly, that's what I also initially used until I realized I have feedback na napipigtas. And from the onset of this jewelry line that I'm sharing from 2022, the highest intention is for it to work for you. Okay, so I'm not just here for the business side because I have other business lines, but the intention is really to support you, okay, in your personal evolution. So we're so blessed that right now we have this. Now I want to share this with you. It is specifically what you're seeing is gold na copper. Do you know that when I saw this in Makati Cinema Square, try it, punta ka doon, 5,500 ang per gram ng gold. When they weighed it, it's around 5 grams, yung ganito nila. Okay? And the 5 grams easily is at 5,500 is nasa 27,500. Okay? So, ganito yung itsura, it's 27,500. What if I tell you that you can actually get for yourself a really nice bangle like this for not even half, not even 1/4 of that amount. Right? And still feel lit up. Kasi tayong girls, gusto natin is yung jewelry na we feel beautiful about, diba? Yung may maganda for us. Okay? So, this one is, actually, pag winay mo siya, tingnan mo, I'll show you. This is digital scale. Ayan. We'll just wait for it na maging 0. And I'll show you the weight. Okay. Alright, so for this one, ayan siya mga kapatid. It's already 10 grams na to. So if you do the math, this piece alone at 5,500 is 55,000. Right? Kaso hindi mo naman suot, di ba? Kapag you're gonna use it for special occasions lang, ganon. So, good news for you is Wealth by Rina pieces are demi-fine jewelry. So, it only makes use of precious metal and on precious metal. So, like itong necklace is sterling silver na may makapal na plating of gold. This one also, ang good news for you is it holds up its gold. Okay, so kahit ibabad mo to sa Zone Rocks, it holds up. So, if someone tells me, acidic ako, ano mas acidic? Yung sweat mo or the bleach? Diba? Sweat mo or Zone Rocks, right? So, you can definitely have this parang nang less than 2.5 pa. Okay? So, check it here and check out our beautiful pieces for you. Right, so just to go through it, this is our rosary edition. I use this personally when I'm on travel and nag-rosary din ako. It's nice, no? So this is our modern take on what's available in the market today, basically. This is so beautiful also. Ang lakas makaay, arm candy, diba? So this is our rainbow bracelet. These are natural gemstones. Ayan, see, red jasper, carnelian, yellow aventurine, green aventurine, lapis lazuli, amethyst, and clear quartz. And you have that beautiful bling right there. Do you see that? Oh, wala yan sa mga karamihan na ginagamit natin. Kasi these are Swarovski. Austria Swarovski. When I went to Austria in 2015, I definitely got for myself kasi dun ginagawa yung ano tawag ito? yung Swarovski. I like Swarovski kasi very practical lang tayo. And that goes for our generation, ano? 'Di ba? Parang it's a bonus kung meron tayong mana from our previous generation. Kasi yung previous generations natin, talagang ito yung generation ng mga diamonds and um, fine jewelry. 'Di ba? Correct? Fine jewelry, diamond, sapphire, ruby, emerald, and lahat siya yung mga mahal na pieces. So, yung generation natin, medyo you want the magandang quality, hypoallergenic, practical, and it's still beautiful. Thus, ayan, I have this gift for you. Check it out. Mwah!